I'm Andrew Goddard, and this is the weekly Volatility Roundup from CMC Connect. Big tech stocks were back in focus last week, with multiple drivers in play here, despite pockets of renewed institutional criticism over the potential valuations that are being applied to the so-called Magnificent Seven stocks, where we did see downside pressure. It ultimately looked rather fleeting. This did, however, result in elevated levels of price action being seen on CMC's proprietary big tech basket, covering 20 US-listed stocks from the sector. One-week volatility stood at 34.49% against 27.1% for 3 months. Drilling into this, NVIDIA was one of the most active stock-specific trades of the last few days, as investors looked to assess the losses accrued earlier in the month, with some bargain-hunting activity being seen here as a result. The shares are still holding short of the $1,000 mark, but there's confidence amongst some analysts that this level could yet fall. One-week vol on NVIDIA printed 91.49% against 63% for 3 months. The Nikkei saw a turbulent week of trade as the market digested that likely pivot by the Bank of Japan, whilst the Federal Reserve faced a fresh challenge after inflation data ticked slightly higher. As a result, the yen saw most of its recent gains being reversed. The Nikkei printed one-week volatility of 18.57% against 16% over 3 months. And copper has been active after that news from China that leading smelters of the metal had agreed to cut output. That served to boost prices by around 6%, and gains have so far proved to be sustainable. One-week vol on copper stood at 18.24% against 15.45% for 3 months.